All right, guys, I'm all tied up here. What do you think? Would this make a good thumbnail? Hello, everyone. My name is Cindy, and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you for watching. Now, we appreciate all of you leaving comments on our videos, and some of them help us create content like this one, when you ask for some ideas on where to put strip lights around your home. So in this video, we're going to show you where you can install your LED lights around your house. Now, I also want to invite you to come check out my YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, be sure to click on the link below to get a taste of more Cindy action. If you enjoy being entertained while learning about cool tech, speaking of enjoyment, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to get notified when we release our next video. Also, please use our Amazon links. If you shop on Amazon, these are the links that you want to go to, and they're in every one of our videos, and they really help us out. Finally, if you want to see our videos weeks before anyone else, then check out our Patreon link down below for all the details. Some of the popular LED strip lights are ones like Govee, Lighting Ever, and Minger. And the first place where we are going to mention is to put them behind your TV. They act as backlighting when watching movies or sports and give you a better viewing experience. We put them behind ours, and we can turn them on by simply asking, Alexa, turn on TV lights. What a bright idea, right? We can also change the color as well. Alexa, change TV lights to blue. Now let me know what color you would prefer when watching TV. Here is a view of the TV in the evening while watching a movie. Our TV is right up to the edge of the wall, and it would have a different effect at your place. The lights we use the most are the cabinet lights, and they are on almost every single day. The house came with lights under the cabinet. However, we added the Lighting Ever lights above the cabinets. It adds a little ambiance to the room. Alexa, turn on cabinet lights. Okay. As you can see, it adds quite the nice ambiance to this whole setting, and it can be quite romantic. It's so easy, and that's what I love about it. Like, look, you can put it all around your kitchen. You can bring any light to an area that would otherwise be dim and quite grim. Here's a look at them in the evening. You can see they add that extra ambiance to your kitchen. All right, guys, so here we are in the garage. Now I'm giving you the grand tour, and typically the car is the destination point of your garage. Check this out, it's so cool. Alexa, turn on garage lights. Okay. Look at it. So I went with the blue option, and it's all across the wood. You can put it on different surfaces, and it's such a nice way to lighten up an otherwise drab and boring space. Don't be fooled by my tank top, folks. It is winter outside, and our patio furniture is all packed up. But here is a clip on how the strip lights look under our gazebo. And aside from my fabulous adorning, we have the gazebo lights. Alexa, turn on gazebo lights. Okay. How awesome is that? I'm telling you, this is where it's at. It's a very bright idea, if I do say so myself. And people are always telling me to lighten up. Like, this is definitely a way to take it to a new level. And I wouldn't need to change my hair all the time either. Here they are under the gazebo. They easily stick to the surface and will not fall down. And they can be used outside as they are IP65 rated. You just need to find a safe place to plug them in. Oh, look at that. Here they are in action at nighttime, lighting up the area. They were so easy to install, as you just peel and stick. Add the fire table when you have a perfect evening. You can also add them along your railings and even going down the stairs to light things up in the evening. You can even put your LED strip lights in your own bedroom. By putting them under your bed, they give your room an awesome glow. And they are great for a kid's room, serving as a nightlight, or even to put you in the right mood. They can even go around your Christmas tree or decorate the windows of your front house and set them to green and red, and you can have Christmas lights all year round. You can put them pretty much anywhere your imagination takes you, even under your sofa to make it stand out to be the center of attention, the centerpiece of the entire room. Now let me know if there's a place in your home where you want to put your lights, possibly around your fish tank, along your hallway, or even under your car. Let me know in the description. Thank you for watching this video. And if you found it useful, please do share it with someone. You can see our latest videos right here on the side. Subscribe to see more videos and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget, check out our website at HomeAutomationX.com. Thank you for watching.